Welcome to another hair hack video. Take your hair and tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then tie the lower end of the ponytail again with a rubber band and give it a ribbony look. Then divide the lower part of the hair into two parts and then make plaits out of all the two parts. The plait should be very consistent and clean. Then roll the plaits upwards and then crisscross it, securing it with a tight bobby pin just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then insert a back pin. Then divide the lower hair into three parts and then roll them, inserting each of the parts inside that back pin. Then take the upper part, tie it in the form of a rubber band and then secure it tightly downwards with the help of hairpin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then tie the lower end again with a ponytail and then divide it into two parts. Then make another two ponytails and then put it through the gaps of one another. Then take that ponytail and insert it through the upper part of the hair in two consecutive times just as shown in the video. Then take the leftover part of the hair and carefully secure them with a rubber band and then insert it inside just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Give it a fluffy look by pulling out the strands of hair. Then take another part of the hair from behind and repeat the same process of tying the ponytail. Then take the lower part of the hair and keep tying it in the form of a plait. The plait should be thick and consistent. To be thick, you should pull out strands of hair from every corner of the head just to make it look thinner or thicker. Then tie the lower end of the hair with a rubber band and then decorate it with your clipper. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, insert a back pin and keep inserting small strands of hair inside the clipping part of the back pin just as shown in the video. Then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Then take that ponytail and keep tying it in the form of a plait just like this. Then tie the lower part of the plait with the rubber band and then roll it around the circular part and insert it with a rubber band and secure it tightly with the help of a clutcher. Take your hair, tie it in the form of plait from the middle section. The plait should be very thin and consistent just like this. Then tie the lower end. Take two strands of the hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Pull out the strands to make it look loose or messy just like this. Then take the hair and decorate it. Take a 3-leg back pin and then twist two parts of the hair and insert it properly inside the clipping part of the back pin. Repeat the same process with the other two parts. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a simple plaits from down just like this and then roll it upwards, securing it lightly with a juda pin just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, then use a juda pin to make a juda and then secure it properly. Thank you for watching.